It looks and feels like the sea never ends. The Pacific is 60 million square miles and 13,000 feet deep, seemingly endless. There is life that thrives in the shallow reefs full of sun, warmth, and vegetation. There is also life that survives in the deep trenches where darkness, cold, and desolation rule. Beyond its vastness and size, the most impressive aspect is how much life fills its depths. You and our marriage is so full of unfathomable life that it makes the Pacific look like a koi pond.
1, 2, 3. Won't you care for me? I'll wait up every night. I could climb a tree so I can see through the sky. That's why I looked in your eyes.
I want to welcome you here today. Today we have gathered because these two incredible people desire to commit their lives to one another in the beautiful union called marriage.
You bring me back to rest.
I just want to start by thanking Gabby and Carson for bringing us to this absolutely beautiful island to celebrate your love. Gabby, you look beautiful. Carson, you clean up pretty nicely. Today marks the beginning of forever.
I can't say that I've ever seen him as happy as I've seen with you, Gabby. You make him a better man, and you guys bring out the best in each other.
Carson Lawrence Claypool, my forever and a day. As I sit here finalizing this letter to you, I am listening to the waves break, the wind wisps through the palm trees, and a light rain trickle on the deck of our cutesy Airbnb. Simply in awe of God's beauty and the abundant amount of blessings in my life, you being my biggest.
Shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, you got it. Do you want me to go or you go?
You go.
Okay, I go.
Never was enough.
Gabrielle, we are here on a tiny speck of land in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, committing ourselves to each other for eternity. I originally started writing this letter 2 months ago when I got you flowers and a card. Cover of the card is a couple sitting on a bench, staring off at a starry night. I wrote, instead of us staring at a starry night from a bench, we'll be staring off at the Pacific from the beach.
It's the way you're smiling at me. It's in the way you hold my hand.
8 years ago, we were just strangers, two young kids. To think about all of that we have been through in the past 7 years of us dating is almost unbelievable. We have experienced and physically been to mountain peak highs and ocean floor lows together. If I could go back and change a single day of the last 7 years, I wouldn't. I wouldn't, because they led us here, and here is exactly where we are meant to be.
Never used to get excited to sit here in the silence, holding on to something the way I'm holding you. Didn't used to know how fast time.
What I already know about you is that you are strong, smart, silly, capable, fierce, loving, adventurous, and thoughtful. I'm so grateful for your goofy, loud, and full of energy personality. You are the perfect balance to my level, stable, and serious personality. Your smile and your beauty drive me wild. Lord willing, we have kids, and when we do, I cannot wait to see the mother that you will be.
What it is, but I've never known a love like this. It's funny how everything I dreamed about starts to seem so empty without you.
Carson, I know my dad is beaming with joy knowing you will be by Gabby's side for the rest of time. I admire your craving for adventure. From creating your homestead to flying a plane, your determination is unwavering. You've been a part of our family for a long time, but it is an honor to call you a brother now.
It's the way you're smiling at me. It's and the way
Here's to growing old together, but never growing up. Let's go conquer this life together. All my love and more. Your Mrs. Gabrielle Claypool.
I am so excited to be your husband and embark on this journey together. Let's be that old couple dancing in the rain one day. Cheers, wife. I love you. See.
Family and friends, it is my great pleasure to introduce, for the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Carson and Gabrielle.
Gabby is loyal, selfless, and compassionate. She would give the shirt off her back to anyone in need. Anywhere she goes, she meets a new friend. She always will say they started the conversation, but 9 times out of the 10, I do not believe that. Lead with your heart and cherish all the wonderful memories that are still to come. And remember, always find common ground.
Almost all of my memories, best memories growing up, even into adulthood, have been with Carson. We've been pretty close ever since we were little. We've only gotten closer as we've aged. Carson is exactly what you want in a best friend. He's loyal, he's generous, he's kind, and he's always gonna have your back, Gabby. So let's raise a glass to Carson and Gabby and the future memories all of us will make with them.
Cheers. To be together.
The simple thought of the rest of my life intimidates me, but the thought of it with you by my side gives me confidence and excites me. Forever with you. Yes, please.
Since Carson and Gabby have made these commitments before God in this assembly, by the authority of God in the state of Hawaii, I declare that Carson and Gabrielle are husband and wife. Carson, Gabby, you are no longer 2 independent persons but one. What therefore God has put together, let no man be apart. Carson, it is time to kiss your lovely bride.
If I